Welcome to the world of ultimate luxury on water. Today we're diving deep into the magnificent Dilbar Yacht, one of the largest and most extravagant yachts ever built. Get ready to explore the features that make Dilbar a floating palace unlike any other. Dilbar's exterior is a breathtaking display of grand scale and sophisticated elegance. Stretching over 156 meters, it stands as one of the largest yachts globally, boasting a sleek, modern silhouette that balances power and grace. The hull's smooth curves and expansive decks create an imposing yet refined presence on the water, designed to glide effortlessly across oceans. The yacht's pristine white exterior is accented by large panoramic windows that invite natural light inside while offering spectacular views of the sea. Every inch of Dilbar's design speaks to precision engineering and luxury craftsmanship. The multiple decks are layered with spacious open-air areas perfect for sunbathing or entertaining guests. Its size allows for numerous outdoor spaces, each thoughtfully arranged to maximize privacy and comfort while maintaining an inviting atmosphere for large groups. Truly, Dilbar redefines what a mega yacht can be, combining vast scale with exquisite detail. Dilbar features a state-of-the-art helipad located on its upper deck, designed to accommodate a variety of helicopters for effortless and stylish arrivals. The helipad's expansive size ensures safe landings and takeoffs, with reinforced flooring and advanced safety protocols embedded into its structure. Beyond just functionality, the helipad integrates seamlessly with the yacht's sleek exterior design, maintaining Dilbar's signature aesthetic. When not in use, the helipad area transforms into a versatile space for social gatherings or relaxation, outfitted with luxurious seating and sunshade options. This flexible use of space exemplifies Dilbar's approach to blending practicality with opulence, ensuring every part of the yacht serves a purpose without compromising on elegance or comfort. It's a perfect gateway for guests arriving in true VIP style. The swimming pool aboard Dilbar is truly impressive, one of the largest pools ever installed on a yacht. Its infinity edge design creates a stunning visual blend with the ocean, making it feel like the water flows endlessly into the horizon. The pool features temperature controls and crystal clear water maintained by advanced filtration systems, ensuring perfect comfort whether you're swimming or lounging nearby. Around the pool, plush sun loungers and shaded cabanas provide the perfect spots to relax, sip a cocktail, or enjoy the ocean breeze, making this area a vibrant social hub on board. Complementing the pool are several jacuzzis scattered across the decks, each offering a private and luxurious retreat. These jacuzzis come with powerful hydrotherapy jets designed to soothe tired muscles, making them ideal for unwinding after a day of activities. Thoughtfully placed with panoramic sea views, they feature adjustable lighting and retractable canopies, so you can soak in the sun or stars in complete comfort. Together, the pool and jacuzzis create a perfect balance of relaxation and socializing spaces on Dilbar. Dilbar's expansive sun deck is a beautifully designed space dedicated to both relaxation and entertainment. The deck offers a mix of open sunbathing areas with oversized cushioned loungers and shaded sections with retractable awnings, so guests can choose their perfect spot to enjoy the day. Stylish outdoor furniture and cozy daybeds invite you to unwind, whether you want to read, socialize, or simply soak in the spectacular ocean views. More than just a place to catch rays, the sun deck is equipped with an advanced sound system and ambient lighting, creating an inviting atmosphere for day parties or evening gatherings. Thoughtful layouts allow guests to find privacy or join the group seamlessly, making this deck an essential part of the yacht's luxurious outdoor living experience. It's the ideal place to relax and savor every moment at sea. Dilbar Cinema Room is a luxurious retreat designed to deliver a true cinematic experience at sea. Featuring plush, reclining leather seats arranged in tiered rows, it guarantees that every guest enjoys an unobstructed view of the giant high-definition screen. The room is equipped with state-of-the-art surround sound and acoustic paneling that immerses viewers in crystal-clear audio, perfect for movie nights or private screenings. The ambience is enhanced by adjustable mood lighting and elegant decor, creating a cozy yet sophisticated environment. Whether you're watching the latest blockbuster or a classic film, the cinema room offers a perfect escape for entertainment and relaxation, bringing the magic of the movies directly onto Dilbar. The gym aboard Dilbar is a state-of-the-art fitness center designed to keep guests active and energized even while cruising the seas. Equipped with the latest cardio machines, free weights, and resistance training equipment, it offers everything needed for a complete workout. Large windows flood the space with natural light and provide inspiring views of the ocean, making your fitness routine feel less like a chore and more like a luxury experience. Adjacent to the gym is a spa area, a serene sanctuary for relaxation and wellness. Featuring massage rooms, a sauna, and a steam room, the spa is designed to rejuvenate both body and mind. With calming decor, soft lighting, and premium treatments, this space offers a perfect balance between intense workouts and restorative relaxation, ensuring guests leave feeling refreshed and revitalized. One of the most breathtaking features aboard Dilbar is its underwater viewing room, a truly unique sanctuary that offers panoramic, crystal-clear views beneath the waves. Situated below the waterline, this glass-enclosed space immerses guests in the vibrant marine world, allowing them to observe sea life in all its natural glory without ever getting wet. The room is thoughtfully designed with comfortable seating, soft lighting, and climate control to create a serene atmosphere, perfect for moments of peaceful reflection or intimate conversations surrounded by the mesmerizing beauty of the ocean depths. In addition to the viewing room, Dilbar carries a state-of-the-art personal submarine, providing adventurous guests with a rare opportunity to explore underwater landscapes firsthand. This submersible is equipped with advanced navigation systems, high-definition cameras, and top-tier safety features, making deep-sea exploration accessible and safe. Whether it's a thrilling dive to discover coral reefs, shipwrecks, or marine wildlife, the submarine adds an exciting dimension to the yacht experience, blending luxury with the spirit of exploration. The Master Suite aboard Dilbar redefines luxury living at sea, offering a spacious and private retreat bathed in natural light from expansive floor-to-ceiling windows. The suite features a plush king-size bed with premium linens, a cozy seating area, and a private study, all enveloped in elegant finishes like polished wood, rich textiles, and subtle ambient lighting. The design focuses on comfort and sophistication, providing panoramic ocean views that can be enjoyed from the suite's own private terrace, creating a seamless connection between indoor luxury and the natural world outside. Guest cabins are crafted with the same attention to detail, each uniquely designed to provide ultimate comfort and privacy. Equipped with en-suite bathrooms, high-end entertainment systems, and personalized decor themes, these cabins offer guests a tranquil haven. The layout ensures that every guest feels valued and at ease, whether they're unwinding after a day of sun and sea or preparing for an evening gathering. The master and guest suites together showcase Dilbar's commitment to creating an environment that feels like a five-star resort on water. Dilbar's bathrooms are more than just functional spaces. They're serene sanctuaries that elevate everyday rituals into moments of indulgence. Each bathroom is outfitted with luxurious materials such as Italian marble countertops, polished chrome fixtures, and deep soaking tubs designed for ultimate relaxation. Spacious walk-in rain showers offer adjustable jets and temperatures, providing a spa-like experience that pampers the senses. Many bathrooms also feature large windows with ocean views, allowing natural light to flood the space and create a calming ambience. Every element in these bathrooms is carefully curated to combine elegance with practicality. Heated floors, soft ambient lighting, and high-end toiletries ensure that comfort is paramount. Whether you're starting your day with an energizing shower or winding down in a hot bath while watching the sunset over the water, Dilbar's bathrooms provide the perfect setting for refreshment and rejuvenation. Dilbar's Garage is a dream come true for enthusiasts of speed and adventure, offering secure, climate-controlled storage for an impressive collection of supercars, motorbikes, jet skis, and other luxury toys. The space is designed to protect these prized possessions and elements while providing easy access, so guests can effortlessly switch from yacht life to adrenaline-filled excursions on land or water. Featuring hydraulic lifts and a spacious layout, the garage also doubles as a maintenance and preparation area for watercraft and vehicles. From high-performance sports cars ready to hit the road to powerful jet skis waiting for a splash, the garage is a vital part of Dilbar's appeal, blending luxury, convenience, and a passion for adventure in one sophisticated package. The kitchen aboard Dilbar is a culinary powerhouse equipped to meet the demands of gourmet dining at sea. Outfitted with professional-grade appliances, ranging from convection ovens to large refrigeration units and induction cooktops, it allows the onboard chefs to craft everything from casual breakfast to multi-course dinners with ease and precision. The spacious layout provides ample prep space, storage, and organization, ensuring efficiency without sacrificing style. Designed with both functionality and elegance in mind, the kitchen integrates seamlessly with adjacent dining and social areas, allowing chefs to remain part of the onboard experience. High-quality finishes, clean lines, and modern technology come together to create a kitchen that's as inspiring as it is practical, making every meal aboard Dilbar a true culinary delight. The dining area on Dilbar is an exquisite space where elegance and comfort merge to create unforgettable dining experiences. A large, beautifully crafted table sits near panoramic windows, offering sweeping views of the sea and sky as guests enjoy their meals. The decor is sophisticated yet inviting, with ambient lighting that sets the mood perfectly for anything from formal dinners to relaxed brunches. Attention to detail, from fine china to tasteful centerpieces, ensures every meal feels special. Adjacent to the dining room is a stylish bar area, a social hub stocked with an extensive selection of premium wines, spirits, and expertly crafted cocktails. The sleek design features comfortable seating, polished countertops, and mood lighting, making it the perfect spot to unwind with friends or enjoy a quiet drink. Together, the dining and bar spaces serve as the heart of social life aboard Dilbar, designed to cater to every occasion with effortless style. That wraps up our detailed tour of the incredible Dilbar Yacht, a true masterpiece where luxury meets innovation on the open sea. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more exclusive tours and luxury lifestyle content.